Remember, after the BJP's big win in the national capital, Delhi still awaits a new CM. Parleys, of course, are underway as several meetings are taking place. Top BJP leaders are conducting the meeting. Remember, this major decision and the swearing-in ceremony as well was supposed to happen after Prime Minister Modi returns from his foreign trip. Now that he's back from his US-France trip, there's, of course, speculations of more meetings that will take place, perhaps to finalize the CM phase for New Delhi. Of course, the BJP chief is set to hold a key meeting today as well. The oath-taking ceremony is likely on the 19th of February is what we're learning. My colleague Shreya joins us with more details. Shreya, take us to the latest. As far as sources, they're telling us that 15 names have been shortlisted for the CM post.
That's right. We know that the Delhi government is still in limbo because the BJP, after winning people's mandate, has still not revealed the CM name, the chief minister's name. And tomorrow, after today's high-level meeting, tomorrow we're likely to get the cabinet ministers' names along with the name of the chief minister of the national capital. We know that since the elections took place, Mr. Modi has been busy, especially because of his two-day visit in France and US. He returned, last night to New Delhi, and today there will be a high-level meeting with all the elected MLAs under the leadership of BJP chief JP Nadda. Yesterday also we saw a meeting taking place with state BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva, and out of the 15 elected MLAs, 9 MLAs have been shortlisted, and some of the potential front runners are, of course, Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood, Satish Upadhyay, Shikha Rai, and of course there is Rekha, and these several names are being taken into consideration, in terms of the CM phase. And of course tomorrow we will also get to know the cabinet ministers' names, and soon the oath-taking ceremony will take place, followed by the government formation. And till now several marathon meetings have taken place, one after the another. But on Thursday, Mr. Amit Shah, Home Minister, he also, conducted a meeting with Mr. JP Nadda. And JP Nadda, after the meeting, he spoke to the reporters and he said that, it is not going to be a tough decision of selecting the CM phase. We will barely take 15 minutes. And we also know women leaders will also be running in the race. But we cannot take this comment at a face value. It is going to be a crucial decision for the national capital. And also it is going to be a political appointment, considering that the Bihar and UP elections are around the corner. So therefore the caste equations and the inclusion in diversity will be taken into consideration. And tomorrow the list is expected to be out.
Thank you, Shreya.